In this episode, here are some of the best car speakers you should consider buying if you will be purchasing one anytime soon. Through extensive research, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's performance price or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like, video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. JBL CLU B6520 car speaker. This product comes with a pair of two-way speakers and various accessories for fast and easy installation. It features the Polypropylene Plus 1-woofer cone with PEI balanced dome tweeters. The frequency response of the speakers ranges from 55 Hz to 20,000 Hz. It comes with grills included and has a 3 ohm impedance with a 92 decibel sensitivity. The polypropylene material is UV resistant and durable under various weather conditions, making it an excellent option for speakers installed on the car door. Skar Audio FSX65-4 speakers. These mid-range speakers have a vented black plate design that provides an excellent thermal cooling quality suitable for various applications. The speakers have a 1.5-inch copper voice coil that makes them capable of producing loud volumes without issues. The speakers have a frequency response of 100 Hz to 8,000 Hz with a 300 watts max power on each speaker. Each package ships with a pair of speakers, and the 21-ounce ferrite magnet in the speakers is responsible for the crisp, clear sound output of the speakers. you find anything that passed your preferences? If you did, then click the link in the description box to catch these items that are the best offer. Let us know if you have a product in mind that you would like to see in our next video. Write our comments and suggestions, and our research team will work their best to give you a fair and square product review. If you want to be a part of our growing community, then click the bell icon by doing, so you can also get the chance to more of our videos. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.